What's up, everybody? It's Nate with Sonic Electronix, and I'm here with Lee, the VP of R&D and Integration at Wet Sounds. That just rolls off the tongue. He is the man, the myth, the legend when it comes to wet sounds and all of the new products they're developing. They are the pioneers of loud marine sound. Anybody and everybody who has a boat loves these guys. This 010 Subkit 2, S2 and S4 comes in single 2 ohm, single 4 ohm, 10-inch and 12-inch variety.
Yes.
I think I got that right, Lee.
Yeah, that's
okay.
It's a mouthful, but
that's a mouthful. Yeah. 010 Subkit S2, 012 Subkit S2 or S4. And Lee's going to tell us all about this, but I was learning about it behind the scenes, and you know, one of the things that I like, Lee, as a car guy, is that you guys are telling me that you can actually use these in a car application besides the marine application. So he's going to tell us all about that, why they chose this shape, where it goes in boats, and I'm just going to keep asking him lots of questions for you guys. So Lee, tell us about this thing.
So first of all, building a box for a boat is difficult, right? It's got to be marine grade. So we needed to build a box for the Zero subs, and in doing so, it's like what shape could it be that could be utilized in the most applications. So a couple cool things about it. It is a plastic box, and a small sealed box could be prone to flex. So we actually have a threaded insert on the back side of the subs, which this mounts to that threaded insert. So it actually uses the frame of the woofer to reinforce the enclosure. So you actually get a much better sounding box, even though it's made out of a plastic material. So we also made them, when we looked at the profile of it, we went ahead and made it the dimensions that happen to fit underneath the seat of some very popular pickups that are on the market.
And you were telling me earlier, I don't want to spoil the fun here, but you can actually link up 3 of them, right?
Correct. So this right here that we include in the package, an insert that goes here. You drill 2 holes. We give you the hardware. You bolt them together.
And
3 10-inch subs fit nicely underneath the seat of a popular pickup.
Which one?
F-150 and Silverado.
There you go. F-150 Silverado fans that are Wet Sounds fans that are towing your boat with your F-150 or your Silverado. Maybe you need a 2500. I don't know how big your boat is, but you can fit 3 of these under
and
one.
212s.
Oh, okay. Two 212s or 310s.
Also, yeah, 212s also.
With their kit. That's really brilliant. You know, the other thing that you told me earlier that I just can't, you know, I couldn't wrap my head around it at first, is the mounting solution that they have, and it's pretty cool when he'll explain it to you about how these things mount and why they have this really neat shape here.
Yeah, so this profile is the same all the way around these 3 walls. So we give it a clamp that will clamp down on this edge, but if the enclosure needs to sit right here, that's the same edge.
Like on a single cab truck or in a boat.
Right. And then there's enough clearance for the woofer where you can also downfire the woofer. You
can see over here
that way as well.
So yeah, that's awesome, and it's the same clamp system because of the way they designed the edges. It's just a really smart design. Kudos to the head of R&D and his team.
Yep. So we also include a DT connector. We include the pigtail as well, so it's easy to remove from the box.
So can you explain that to everybody what that is? Because I think the average viewer won't know what a DT connector is.
So the DT is a Deutsch connector. It's a very popular connector used in the marine environment. It's very easy to rebuild. It's very easy to find on the shelf. It's a very nice connector, easy to plug in, but we include that on there instead of having a wire that's just ran through the enclosure. So if you need to remove the enclosure, you have a nice connection.
And that's included in the box. We're not showing it here, but that's included in the box. That's really awesome. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Have a great show.
Thank you.
All right, let's go to the next one.